Is the future of work truly destined to be run by AI and automated systems? The answer is a resounding no. Let's explore why humans remain irreplaceable in the workforce. First, let's understand the basics. Artificial intelligence, or AI, helps machines learn to perform tasks and solve problems. It handles mundane tasks and generates insights from massive datasets. However, automation streamlines processes, allowing tasks to be executed with minimal human interaction. While both technologies offer significant benefits, they also have distinct limitations. AI lacks a physical form. It can't perform tasks that require manual dexterity. Tasks needing hand-eye coordination or quick adjustments remain in human hands. For example, warehouse management might involve AI in organization, but humans must physically implement those plans. Moreover, emotional intelligence is crucial in the workplace. AI lacks the ability to predict reactions or understand feelings, making it unsuitable for roles like management or counseling. Human emotional insight fosters better interactions, which AI cannot replicate. Creativity is another area where AI falls short. While it can assist in creative projects, it can't match the evolving human creativity and inspiration. AI produces results based on existing data, while humans can innovate and think outside the box. Another significant limitation is that AI is only as good as the data it processes. It needs accurate input to generate useful outputs. Human workers are vital in providing and curating this data, ensuring AI tools work effectively. AI also lacks essential soft skills. Skills like negotiation and adaptability, learned through experience, are non-negotiable in team dynamics. Machines can't replicate these human traits, making human involvement indispensable in leading teams. Misinformation from AI is common, as not everything it produces is accurate. Humans are crucial for fact-checking and ensuring the data used drives correct conclusions. Automation still requires humans. Whether for oversight or intervention, human involvement is essential for smooth operations. Be it robotic systems or simple digital processes, human monitoring ensures tasks are performed correctly. Inflexibility is another challenge for AI. These systems follow strict rules, leaving little room for improvisation. When faced with unexpected challenges, humans can adapt while machines follow predetermined paths. Humans and AI have different limits. While AI offers relentless efficiency, humans bring common sense, emotional insight, and moral reasoning. These attributes make humans natural leaders and decision-makers. Lastly, AI should complement humans, not compete with us. The role of AI is to assist, not replace. Job opportunities will only grow as AI advances, highlighting the need for human oversight and creativity in the workplace. As we adapt to evolving work demands, Salient Process can help businesses thrive with integrated solutions. Our digital business automation tools empower teams to enhance workflows and boost productivity. Discover how we can elevate your business today. Contact us to learn more.
Thanks for watching Zenvix. Subscribe for smarter health and science.